Now, to do question 3, again, I have 5 decimeters and I want to go to centimeters. I'm going to use the yellow color. So I am on decimeter and I need to go to centimeters. So I'm going again from larger to smaller unit, and I am going only one step. So I need to multiply, because larger to smaller we multiply, and it's only one step, so it's only by 10. So here it should be 5 times 10. So 5 decimeter, if you multiply it by 10, you'll get 50 is equivalent to 50 centimeters. Now, let's do question 4. Now, I need to compare. Compare in math, meaning that you should be using the symbols of less than, greater than, or equal. So let's compare 4 meters and 40 decimeters. So now I need to check how many decimeters are the 4 meters. So I am here 4 meters and I need to go to decimeters. Okay, so from larger to smaller, I'll multiply and by 10, so 1 0 only. So 4 times 10, it's 40. So are they greater, is the 4 meter greater than, less than, or equal? It's equal, yes, it's the same, they are equivalent. 5 here. I have 5 centimeters and 5 millimeters. How much is the 5 centimeters? Is it equivalent, equal to 5 millimeter, less than or greater than? So let's look at 5 centimeters. I am here and I want to go to millimeter. From larger to smaller, I need to multiply, and I need to multiply only by 10, so 1 0. So 5 centimeters is equivalent to 50 millimeter. So if I have here 50 millimeter and 5 millimeter, what is the relationship between 50 millimeter and 5 meter? Is 50 millimeter less than or greater than or equivalent to 5 millimeter? Actually, 50 millimeter, of course, is greater than 5 millimeter. So to compare, we should be having the same unit on both sides. So here I'm comparing millimeter with millimeter, right? So 50 millimeter is greater than 5 millimeter. In the first question, I was comparing, also I changed the 4 meters here, if you remember, into the 4 meters into 40 decimeter, we said, but I forgot to write it here. 40 decimeter. We found that 40 decimeters is equivalent to 40 decimeters. So remember, when you need to compare, both sides of the comparison sentence should have the same unit. Question 6 here. I have decimeters and centimeters. Is 6 decimeters greater than or less than 65 decimeters? Let's check. I am at decimeter here, and I want to go to centimeters. So again, from larger to smaller, I need to multiply and by 10 only, because it's only one step. So 6 decimeter is equivalent to 60 centimeter. Now we can compare 60 centimeter to 65 centimeters. What is the relationship between 60 and 65? It's very easy. 60 is less than 65. Lastly here, I have choose the blue again, okay? Here I have 7 meters and 700 millimeters. So I am at meters and I want to go to millimeters. You see, again, from larger to smaller, I need to multiply and do, am I going 1 step or 2 steps or 3 steps? I am going 3 steps. So 10, 3